How to use Give Every Dollar a Job method in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see all your budget categories and how much money you currently have available. The Give Every Dollar a Job method means assigning every dollar you earn to a specific purpose, whether it's for a bill, savings, or future expenses. This helps ensure that every bit of your income has a clear role and nothing goes unplanned. To start, look at your ready to assign amount at the top of the screen. This is the total money available to budget. Then go through your categories one by one, such as rent, groceries, utilities, savings, and entertainment, and assign specific amounts to each based on your priorities. For example, if you just got paid $1,000, you might assign $500 to rent, $200 to groceries, $100 to utilities, $100 to saving, and $100 to entertainment. The goal is to bring your ready to assign balance down to zero, meaning every dollar has a job. You can always adjust these amounts later if your spending or priorities changes. YNAB will automatically update your budget as you add transactions and make changes. Now you know how to use Give Every Dollar a Job method in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.